Hello friends, today we will learn about our skeletal system. The skeletal system consists of different types of bones. Just as a building has a framework of wood or metal, our body also has a framework. This framework of bones is called the skeleton. The skull, backbone, ribcage, and bones of the limbs and girdles form our skeletal system. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. Some bones are big and some are small. Skull. The skull is made up of flat bones. It includes the bones of our head, face, and the jaws. The skull protects the brain as well as gives shape to our face. Backbone. The backbone or spine or vertebral column is made up of small bones. The small bones are called vertebrae. The backbone covers and protects the spinal cord. It also protects the nervous and blood vessels that run down from the brain. Ribcage. The ribs are curved bones that form a structure called the rib cage. We have 12 pairs of ribs. The ribs are joined to the backbone at the back and the breastbone or sternum at the front. The rib cage covers and protects the heart and the lungs. Limbs and girdles. Limbs. We have two pairs of limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The bones of the forelimbs consist of the bones of the upper arm, lower arm, and the fingers. The bones of the hind limb consist of the bones of the upper leg, lower leg, and the toes. Forelimbs help us to pick and carry things, while the hind limbs help us to walk and run. Girdles. We have two girdles, the shoulder girdles and the pelvic girdles. Function of the skeletal system. The skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. It protects our soft internal organ. It allows the movement of different parts. Many bones in our body are hollow. They are filled with a jelly substance called bone marrow. Joints. Unlike the framework of a building which is rigged and cannot move, the framework of our body can be moved. The bones of the skeleton move with the help of joints. A joint is a place where two bones meet. At a joint, the bones are held together by ligaments. Joint can be immovable or movable. Immovable joints, वो joints जो मूव ना कर सकें उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Immovable joints. Joints that do not allow any movement are called immovable joints. The bones of the skull is an example of an immovable joints. Movable joints, वो joints जो movement कर सकें. Joints that allow movement are called movable joints. Depending on the kind of movement shown, joints can be four types: pivot joint, ball and socket joint, hinge joint, and gliding joint. Cartilage. Cartilage is a hard elastic substance that covers the end of bones at the point. Cartilage also gives shape and support to other parts of the body, such as ears and nose. It protects the bones by preventing them from rubbing against each other. Muscles. There are more than 600 muscles in human body. Muscles along with the joints helps part of our body to move. Muscles can be voluntary or involuntary. Voluntary muscles. Muscles whose movement can be controlled are called voluntary muscles. Muscles of arms and legs are voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Muscles whose movements we cannot control are called involuntary muscles. Muscles of the heart and lungs are involuntary muscles.